Flashing?
Yep, you're good.
Alright.
Hally ho, bitches.
See where 63 goes. Whoa! Holy crap! Bruh, I ain't climbing that. Alright, so this path is a good one to come down.
Yeah. Fuck.
Dang. I mean, that's 90. You don't see how gnarly 90 gets or no?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. See if we can do 90. 90 is one of the hard ones. Dude, that's awesome. Holy cow. So far, accidentally hitting 90. It's pretty awesome. Ah, dude. What a sweet one. Dude. 90's actually really sick.
90 continues.
Alright, let's go try it. Whoa. Keep going until we get stuck. Follow that deer. Crap. Seems like the doe knows it right away. The old deer's got a pretty good pace. Bruh, how to do that? It don't even have bark buzzers. Oh. Dude. Alright, the deer's freaking fast. Wow, we made it messed up. Dope. 90 comes out right here at 15. That one was cool.
Yeah, that's the one that like we nosed up in this one, didn't we?
Yeah, we made it that far and I was like, no.